Hello friend, you are watching ERM Coder channel, and in this video we will learn about the multiple into field to be integrated with existing form in React.js with the help of external library like, or you can say a third party library like React Hooks form. So how can we work with React Hooks form and with very easy and few line of code. So here is I have initially to uh, paste this line of code in that is available when you go inside your reacthooksform.com, get start integrated existing form, and this is here. And how can we do this? That is not the big thing, and here is to be declare the input field, that is a input as a component, and inside component to pass as a props with label registered and required. This is the prop value, and this value are passing by the main component. You can say a parent component like app component, and inside when you send here the app component, and inside input component we have passed the label is our first name, and register is registered, and register is uh, destructured by the use form, and use form is uh, collecting by the third party library React Hooks form. And first initially when you start the hooks form, so use the use form, and use form is called as a function, but it's working as a function, so call as a function, and it's the call and destructure the use form as a registered and handle submit. These are the two uh, destructure input uh, by the use form. And with the help of registered and handle submit, we can control our entire form field. So there is only a two input form. First one is input, second one is select. Select is second component, and here is you can use as a refer, forward ref, and forward ref is work as a DOM manipulation externally without interrupting re-render or the component. So it's very important when you working with uh, multiple time update without the consider the impact on our existing component or the existing rendering. So you can use a user. It's also be working with the for the DOM manipulation. So here is using the use ref, and use ref, inside use ref we have passes the on change, on blur, name and label, and ref. And here is select, and select is the select and option field. So here is a HTML tag, and inside is as a name attribute, and ref attribute. Inside ref we have declare dynamic ref for the DOM manipulation, and on change it decides the updating state, and with for replacing our previous state. And so in option the two value are here. You can make a three value like can create a 30 to 40 like that, and 40. So Here is multiple input we can create like first name, last name, email ID, address, and something like first name, last name, and email, and address, like that, and state, like that. And here you can also pass as a and save it and check on your browser like first name, last name, email, address, state, and age. That is the user form. And here is you can declare S inside H2 user form and save it and seen on your browser. Refresh it and enter your input value like first name is Atul, last name is Tripathi, and email is admin @gmail.com, and address is Indra Nagar, Lucknow, and state is Uttar Pradesh, like that, and age is like 30, and submit and click on the submit query. That's all your input value are passed inside our console, but when you working with database or backend, so all your input value with as an object to pass with the help of RESTful API inside your database. So click on the submit query and send inside your uh, alert box. Age is something, first name is something, last name is something. This collection you can see called when you working with MongoDB, so it's called as a collection of database, and these are the collection are stored inside your uh, these are the field are stored inside your collection like user form or user, like that. So thank you to all my viewers. Best wishes to you. I hope you have make a good understanding with this video, and thank you to all my viewers.